So welcome everybody to this mind experiment, the unwinnable test for sure. Hitting play in 3, 2, 1. People paid money to see this on Broadway? Oh God. That's Idris Elba. That's too soon. That guy has COVID. Why does it have to be this CG hellscape? Why do some of the cats wear clothes and some don't? I feel like I need to tell the court where this movie touched me. I just have to ask this. Is there about to be cat fucking in this movie? I need a shower.
There's a lot of Don't listen to the words.
I'm listening to the words. It's not telling me the plot. They're saying jellicle. 90% of the lyrics so far have been the word jellicle. This is about to be Marriage Story with cats. Because by the end of this, I will be crying on the floor like Adam Driver.
Leather corsets. Oh, that's so like.
Ah! Why is she the flayed man? She just took her skin off. Oh! This is the scariest movie I've seen all year. Cockroach crotch? Oh, make it stop. What the fuck is it? This may be hard to believe, but this movie did not make money. I have watched Charlie Kaufman movies that don't need this much explanation.
I don't want pubs. I have 8 or 9 clubs. For I'm the St. James's Street cat. I'm the cat they all.
No! Ray Winstone? No! Oh God, is that Judi Dench? Oh God, he's a knight. That is Sir Ian McKellen. This is not right. I will say, I hate this movie exactly as much as I thought I would. Not any more than I thought I would. So at least that's the one victory it's obtained so far. Somebody needs to lick my jellicle balls. Wasn't Taylor Swift supposed to be in this movie? Where is Tay-Tay? Judi Dench as a cat looks like a melted pumpkin. Nobody who's not on mescaline has any idea what the fuck is going on.
See, it's a cat.
Okay.
Cargill Megaforce sounds like the name of a cat. I'm still enjoying this more than Joker. Yeah, this feels like it's been on for 4.5 hours. Kill me. It's over! Yes! This is my favorite part of this movie! I'm sorry.
Cats.
Zane has opinions as well.
Zane, you want to? What did you say?
I love cats.
Watch Cats?
Yeah.
Watch Cats again?
Yeah.
No! Oh, he's sad. Oh,
He liked it.
he like my poor baby. I'm sorry. We can watch Cats again. But I feel bad. I broke his little heart.
He liked it. He liked the
Oh,
music.
you want to watch Cats again?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what, baby? For you, I'll watch Cats again. Okay.
Yeah.
Say I love you.
Yeah.